Friends, today we'll enjoy a little magic. So here I've taken a paper and I have just roughly drawn the outline of a heart shape. Now the shape depends on whatever you all want to draw. And then I have used sketch pen and drawn the outline as well as colored the inner side with that color red. Thereafter I have taken a plastic like this. You get this in the market and it's quite common. You get the small size Ziploc bags as well. You can make use of them if you don't have a smaller one like this. After removing the seal, I'll just flip it backwards and then seal it up. Again, on the top of that plastic, I'm going to draw an outline like this, and additionally I will put in a message. Now this is totally up to you all. So here I have just put in a small message: you are my world. So once I am done with this part of the whole thing, I'll take a glass of water, just plain water, and all I have to do is dip it in. And can you see the color goes? So it's like, even if the color of my heart goes, you are still my world. How cute is that message? I'm sure my daughter would cherish something like this. So friends, try this out at your place for your someone special, and do let me know how did they enjoy this. And for more of such interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.